Okay, my dear student, I am your social teacher. Okay, today I am going to just talk about this Unit 8, Lesson 7. Okay, and our topic today is this financial device. What? Financial device. So first of all, we must have to know the meaning of the financial device. What is financial device? Okay, the any instrument. What? Any instrument or the device that is used in the financial system. Okay, any device that is used in the financial system for the financial activity. Okay, that is known as this financial device. Okay, that is known as what? Financial device. They are used to obtain, for what purpose such types of the financial device are used, means that to obtain this cash, or you can say this to purchase these goods. Okay, to transfer this amount, to make the financial payments. Okay, all these are this financial device. Okay, my dear student, of course, yes. And the example of this best example of financial device are this clean note. What? Clean note. Second is coin. Okay, third one is this card. Okay, second one is what? Card. There is debit card, there is this credit card. Okay, similarly there is the check. Check is also the good example of the financial device. Bank loan. Okay, remittance. Yes, remittance also the financial device. Foreign exchange. Okay, and security bond. Security bond. Bond means rid patra. Okay, all these are the best example of financial device. Okay, and what the meaning of clean note then? Clean note is also the part of the financial device. Then we must have to know this clean note. Okay, clean note means that it is also known as this paper note. What? Paper note, or you can say paper money, and it is used to as monetary exchange. Okay, means that clean note is used for this monetary exchange and other activities in financial act and the activities. And money is also of the two types. Okay, money is how many types? Two types. One is paper notes and second one is this coin. Yes. And now bank loan. Okay, money is very important to everybody or every individual or any business person. So sometimes we may not have this enough amount of this money to run our business. Okay, to run the poultry farm or fisheries. Okay, or any business work and activity, so that we can borrow this loan from this bank. That is known as this bank loan. Okay, my dear student, of course, yes. And there is the next topic that is known as this remittance. What? The remittance. It is an act. Listen me nicely, my dear student. It is an act of sending money from this abroad nation. Okay, that is known as this remittance. Before to understand this remittance, we must have to know about this hundi. Hundi. What is hundi then? The act of sending money from this abroad nation. What? The act of sending the money from this abroad nation through this business person or unregistered institution, that is known as this hundi. But at the present, the government of Nepal has been declared the hundi is illegal. The hundi is important for this group A for the 1 marks. What is hundi? The act of sending the money from this abroad nation through this any business person, or you can say unregistered institution, that is known as the hundi. But hundi is illegal. This you must have to understand, my dear student. Hundi is illegal now. Illegal now. Okay, the hundi is banned by the government of Nepal. And there is the foreign exchange. Okay, we are now talking about this financial device. Remittance is also the best example of this financial device. Bank loan is also the good example of financial device. Okay, clean note is also the best example of the financial device. Now there is foreign exchange. What? Foreign exchange. The foreign currency which are obtained from this various sources, such as this foreign assistance. Okay, exports. Okay, foreign employment, tourism, and that monies are exchanged through the money exchange depots. So this is known as this foreign exchange, my dear student. And you must have to open the lesson, and you must have to learn at the home also to understand more about this topic or this lesson, my dear student. That is my request for you all. And next one is that the security bond. Okay, security bond means this rid patra. The security bond is the financial tool. It is also the financial device. Okay, security bond is also this financial device, because today our topic is what is this financial device. Our now topic is that security bond. The security bond is this financial tool to be used by the government. It is used by the government or any company to raise the required amount of this money. For example, is government bond, okay, or you can say debenture bond, okay, or you can say share. All these came under the what the security bond, my dear student. And now our next topic is that what the share. What the share? Okay, what is share then? Share is the unit. Listen me nicely, my dear students. Share is the what? This unit, okay, of this ownership that yes represent an equal yes proportion of this company. Once again, my dear students, share is a unit of this ownership that is yes represent an equal proportion of this company. Okay, company's capital, that is known as a share. Generally its cost rupees is 100, okay, per share cost rupees is 100. This much you must have to understand. And there is a two types of the share, my dear student. One is ordinary share, next one is this preference share. There is two types of the share, my dear student. First one is the ordinary share and second one is the preference share, okay. Now let's discuss about the what is ordinary share, my dear student, okay. Those share, ordinary share I am talking right now in front of you all, my dear student. What is ordinary share? Yes, those share, okay, providing these owners with the right to vote and get this profit of the company. Once again, those share providing the owners with the right to vote and get the profit of a company only after this preference share, that is known as this ordinary share. Once again, my dear student, those share providing the owner with the right to vote and get what? The profit. Get what? The profit of a company only after the preference share. Okay? Preference share receives, there is receive, that is known as this ordinary share. Now next one is this preference share. What is preference shares? The shares where there is no any voting right, okay, and receives its dividend. Dividend means faida, and receive what is dividend before all other shares. Means that those who do not want to take the higher risk, those who did not want to take this higher risk, generally they invest such types of the share, that is known as, my dear student, the preference shares, okay. And now listen to me here. The most important one is that what are the things that should be required to apply for this share. शेयरमा जानुभन्दा पहिला के कुराहरुको आवश्यकता पर्दछ. This is now the topic and very very important for the group B for the 4 marks, my dear student, okay. Now listen to me here. The needs for the applying for the shares. Now first, yes, certificate photocopy means that in another word you must have to understand like this, my dear student. Yes, certified citizenship, or you can say photocopy of citizenship certificate. The first one is that means that certified, okay, photocopy of this citizenship certificate is required first need of this applying these shares first. And second one is that address of this applicant. What? The address of this applicant, name of the father, name of this grandfather, okay. All these things are required to apply this for the new share. And yes, bank account number also required. That should be written in this application. And authorized signature is required there. And recently snap photo, okay. These are the requirement, okay, that is needed to apply these shares. Okay, my dear student, this much for today. Again tomorrow I will come with this next topic. Thank you very much.